Welcome to the SmartAssistant channel. Did you know that you can easily control the media volume on your Samsung Galaxy phone using the volume buttons? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable this useful option that allows you to automatically adjust the volume of music, videos, and other media when you press the buttons, rather than the ringer volume. This feature will save you time and let you enjoy your favorite content without any interruptions. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. As soon as you open the settings, scroll down a bit, look for the option Sounds and Vibration, and tap on it. Once you are on the Sound and Vibration settings page, find the option Volume and tap on it. Here, you can see different sliders that allow you to adjust the volume for various functions, including call sound, media, notifications, and system sounds. To enable the use of the volume buttons for media, tap on the switch next to the option called Use Volume Buttons for Media. Now, when you press the volume up or down buttons, you will automatically adjust the media volume instead of the ringer volume. This way, controlling your sound will be much easier, allowing you to enjoy music and video content without switching between different settings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, SmartAssistant, for more useful tutorials and tips. See you very soon.